It is the weekend, and guess what we're not doing? We're not out partying. We're actually in the shop printing some t-shirts. Today we have a 6-color job that we're doing, spot process. So we're going to show you guys how we print it. Let's do this. Alright. We're going to press. These clients need these shirts here right at 6. It is 5:30 on a Saturday. Scarlett, don't stack that on the dryer. And we got the little ones here with us. Scarlett just tossed that t-shirt on the dryer all bundled up. Probably would have caught on fire. So we're trying to get some work done with the kiddos. So what we're doing here is a 6-color spot process job. And we're going to print this wet on wet for the most part, aside from the highlight white and the base. I was doing the highlight white on top of everything, but it was just kind of dulling things down a little too much. So we're going to print both the highlight white, this is the highlight white, and the, actually should be doing a full print on these. Hopefully those will be okay. The reason I'm doing a full print on these is it's kind of helping fix some registration issues that I just don't have time to fix at the moment because they need their shirts now. Everybody needs their shirts now. So hopefully those first couple of shirts won't be too out of whack. We shall see though. So some of these I'm going to be doing a full print on. The others will be push. I generally try to line everything up as a push print, but sometimes it's just a little faster to get everything lined up, and if you can do a push or pull print to make things work, and sometimes you got to do what you got to do. Okay, so we're on our white base using 230 mesh on everything. It is 45 LPI all around. So 230 mesh, 45 LPI. We have our highlight white, our base. We have red. You can hear, because I did have to do the, excuse me, getting ahead of myself. It's about to flash that as well. But you can hear it kind of sticking a little bit because of the fact that I flashed both the highlight white and the base. And there we go. Thanks for tuning in as always. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell icon so that way you get notifications next time we post our next video. Don't forget we're an official rep for Catspit Productions, so be sure to use our promo code Mikey Designs at catspitscreenprintsupply.com. You'll get $5 off your purchase. And until next time guys, we'll see you later.